Hi everyone, this is Yuti Belwal. This is a quick information for you all that I'll be doing a webinar with Dr. David K. Pillai, who is the chairman of Transfer Educare, which is the principal associate of DMSF, Davao Medical School Foundation, Philippines. You all know that I am promoting Davao Medical School Foundation, keeping in mind their extraordinary MCI passing ratio of 71% in this August 2020 FMG examination. So I would request you all to please click on the description, the link that we have given to join this webinar. In this webinar, we will be discussing that how Dr. David K. Pillai could achieve this amazing MCI passing ratio of their student, and what are the secrets behind this success story of DMSF. Because as we know that Indian students are a bit scared of FMG examination and the passing percentages and all, but looking at the passing percentage of DMSF, the kind of hope a student feels, it's amazing, and that's why I've asked him to be on panel with us. The main aim of Dr. David K. Pillai is to improve the healthcare system of India, and he's doing it by producing doctors who are not afraid of any medical licensing examination, be it MCIs, FMGE, or even USMLE. He has graduates from DMSF who are now studying and practicing with Johns Hopkins University. We'll know more about this thing in the webinar itself. You can achieve a high level, high class education system just like American or of American level in DMSF in Philippines at the cost as low as 30% of what you pay in Indian private medical colleges. So don't miss this webinar. Click on the link that I put in the description and join it. We'll be starting by 6:15 because I got late to post this video, so I'm giving you half an hour to register for this webinar. So see you there.